What's up everybody, it's Ab, and let me tell you, we're about to blow the lid off YouTube. Did you know you can rake in thousands, even millions without ever showing your face on camera? Forget the pressure of being an influencer, we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube automation where the big bucks are silent but deadly. In this video, I'm giving you the inside scoop, the secret sauce, the MrBeast blueprint to cracking the code of faceless YouTube automation. We're talking the hottest niches, the AI tools that'll do the heavy lifting, and how you can build a YouTube empire from scratch, even if you've never uploaded a video in your life. Get ready to take notes, because this is about to get wild. Alright guys, let's break down this faceless YouTube game. It's all about working smarter, not harder. We're talking about leveraging the power of AI and stock footage to create killer content that people actually want to watch. Think of it like this. You're the director, the mastermind behind the scenes, and you've got a whole team of digital helpers to bring your vision to life. First up, AI-generated scripts. These AI tools are trained on millions of hours of YouTube gold, so they know what works, what hooks viewers, and what keeps them coming back for more. You feed it a topic, and bam, you've got a script that's primed for engagement. Next, we spice things up with some high-quality stock footage and visuals. Imagine this. Stunning drone shots of the Maldives for your travel niche, mouth-watering food close-ups for your cooking channel, all without leaving your desk. Now let's talk about the voice. You can go full AI with incredibly realistic text-to-speech software. Or if you want that human touch, hire a professional voiceover artist to bring your script to life. Finally, we bring it all together with some simple video editing. There are tons of user-friendly editing tools out there, even free ones, that'll have you churning out professional-looking videos in no time. Add some text animations, transitions, sound effects, and boom, you've got yourself a masterpiece. Now let's talk about choosing the right niche, because not all niches are created equal. We're looking for those golden opportunities where the views are high, the competition is manageable, and the money-making potential is off the charts. Here are a few of my top picks. First up, we've got finance and money. People are always looking for ways to make more money, save smarter, and invest like a pro. Create videos about budgeting, investing in stocks, or even diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Next, we've got motivation and self-improvement. Everyone wants to be their best selves, right? Tap into that desire with inspiring videos featuring motivational speeches, success stories, or practical tips for personal growth. For all you tech wizards out there, the tech and review niche is booming. Think unboxing videos, software tutorials, gadget reviews, the works. People are always hungry for the latest and greatest tech, so capitalize on that demand. If you're a fan of the spooky and mysterious, the horror and mystery niche is calling your name. Craft chilling stories with eerie visuals, creepy sound effects, and keep your viewers on the edge of their seats. Last but not least, we've got facts and history. People love learning new things, especially when it's presented in a fun and engaging way. Chapter 3. Okay, let's talk money. The million-dollar question, how much can you actually make with faceless YouTube? Well, strap in, because the earning potential is huge. First up, we've got ad revenue. Every time someone watches your video and an ad rolls, you get paid. The amount you earn per 1,000 views, or CPM, depends on your niche, audience engagement, and a bunch of other factors. But here's the kicker. Those high-demand niches we talked about, they often come with higher CPMs, meaning more money in your pocket. Next, we've got affiliate marketing. Find products related to your niche, like online courses, software, or physical products, and promote them in your videos. When someone clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like having your own online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping. Then there are sponsorships. As your channel grows and you build a loyal audience, brands will come knocking, offering you sweet deals to feature their products or services in your videos. And don't forget about merchandise and digital products. Create your own branded merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and sell them to your loyal fans. Or if you're feeling extra creative, create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates. A faceless YouTube channel with 100,000 views per month could easily generate $1,000 to $5,000 in ad revenue alone. Add in affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, and you're looking at a serious income stream. Chapter 4. Alright guys, ready to turn this dream into a reality? Here's your step-by-step guide to launching your own faceless YouTube empire. First things first, pick your niche. We talked about some hot contenders earlier, but ultimately, the best niche for you is one that you're passionate about and that aligns with your interests. Remember, consistency is key on YouTube, so choose a topic you can see yourself creating content around for the long haul. Once you've got your niche locked in, it's time to start brainstorming video ideas. Head over to YouTube and see what's already working in your niche. What videos are getting the most views? What are people searching for? Use tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy to uncover trending topics and keywords. Now it's time to write your script. Remember those AI tools we talked about? Now's the time to put them to work. Feed them your chosen topic and keywords and let them generate a killer script that's optimized for engagement. Or, if you prefer the human touch, hire a freelance scriptwriter to craft a compelling narrative that'll keep your viewers hooked. With your script ready to go, it's time to record your voiceover. If you're going the AI route, choose a text-to-speech software that offers realistic voices and natural-sounding intonation. Or, if you want that extra layer of professionalism, hire a voiceover artist to bring your script to life. Now comes the fun part. Editing. Import your script, voiceover, and stock footage into your chosen video editing software. Add text animations, transitions, sound effects, and music to create a visually appealing and engaging viewing experience. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your own editing style. Finally, it's time to upload your masterpiece to YouTube. But before you hit that publish button, make sure to optimize your video for search. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Create an eye-catching thumbnail that accurately represents your video's content. Chapter 5. So there you have it, guys, the blueprint to unlocking YouTube riches without ever showing your face. We've covered everything from the ins and outs of faceless YouTube automation to the hottest niches and the money-making potential of this incredible platform. Now I know what you're thinking, is it really that easy? And the answer is, well, it's not always easy, but it is achievable. Building a successful YouTube channel takes work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine waking up every day, checking your YouTube analytics, and seeing your channel grow, your income increase, and your influence expand. Imagine having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, on your own terms, doing what you love. That's the power of YouTube, and it's within your reach. But here's the thing. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build an audience, establish your brand, and start seeing those dollar signs roll in. The key is to be patient, persistent, and always willing to learn and adapt. Don't be afraid to experiment with different video formats, niches, and editing styles. Pay attention to your analytics and see what's working and what's not. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build a community around your channel. And most importantly, never give up on your dreams. If you're passionate about something, if you have a story to tell, if you have valuable information to share, then YouTube is the perfect platform for you. So there you have it, my friends, the secrets to YouTube success without ever showing your face. We've covered it all. The power of automation, the hottest niches, the money-making strategies, and the steps you need to take to turn your YouTube dreams into a reality. Now it's your turn. Which niche are you going to dominate? What kind of faceless empire are you going to build? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep hustling, keep creating, and keep